Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Klarna with Cashapp. So let's get into the video. So if you want to trying to use your Klarna with your Cashapp, so what you have to simply do is just open up your Cash App and sign in. So make sure you have signed in and you have a verified account with Cash App. So just once you have done with that and you have signed in here, so on your Cash App here, what you have to do, tap on the Benches tab on the top of the app. On the top of the app, you'll see the Benches tab. So tap on it, and then there you will be look for under available payment methods, select Klarna. Okay, so once you select Klarna, so what you're going to do now is simply enter your Klarna details. Okay, so enter your Klarna account number and all those information requested. So just enter that, and then that's it. And then confirm your info, confirm it, and then that's it. So once you have provide this information, your Klarna transactions will for cash out will be listed under history. So it will be listed under history. And if you want to just pay for a purchase, you simply have to select the transaction and follow the instructions to complete the payment. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty quite an easy process. So just try to follow this process and see how it goes. So hope this information is helpful to you. I will see you in another video. Thank you.